Oh, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This morning I want to talk about pinhole photography and specifically about this camera that I use for most of my pinhole photography. This camera was made from an Olympus Six, which is a folding 120 6x6 centimeter folding camera that the Olympus made back in I think the late 40s, early 50s. And I found this at a thrift store for about $7. And the bellows was torn in it. And I thought perhaps I could find a replacement bellows or have one made and repair the camera. But when I got it home, I found that the lens was just eat up with fungus and there was no saving it. So I threw it up in a cabinet and kind of forgot about it. A few years later, getting into pinhole photography, I thought, well, this would make a really nice wide angle pinhole camera. So I removed the folding door and the struts and the lens assembly, the bellows, took all that stuff off, and mounted this aluminum plate with a hole drilled in the middle of it. Originally it had a pinhole that I made in it and this shutter that's made from some dark slide material from an old 2x3 sheet film holder. That worked pretty well. I was fairly happy with that. And then I saw that Reality So Subtle sells laser drilled pinholes at a very affordable price. So I ordered a selection of those and settled on a 0.2 millimeter pinhole. This gives me an aperture of f140 at the 28 millimeter focal length. And so really been enjoying this. It seems to work quite well. I've done a couple of upgrades to it. The camera originally, I just had some lines drawn on the top with a Sharpie to indicate the angle of view, and those kept wearing off. So I mounted this little piece of plastic using the screw holes where the viewfinder used to go, and so that gives me a more permanent angle of view, way to see that. And then I mounted a little spirit level I found on Amazon that fits in the accessory shoe, so that's kind of nice. And so this works pretty well. Like I said, it is 6x6 centimeter format. I do have the mask that allows me to shoot 6x4.5 centimeter, so I can actually shoot 645 on it if the format is vertical if I do that. And it gives me 16 exposures instead of 12, but I really do like the square format, so largely I'm probably just going to use it that way. So anyway, we're going to look at some images from this camera and see what you think about those. Also, I do have some other pinhole cameras. I have a twin lens that I made from an old Ricoflex, which is kind of a fascinating project, and we'll be talking about that in a future video. I also have a Holga 120 WPC, the panoramic Holga pinhole camera, which is a lot of fun, and I have on order. I'm really excited. From Reality So Subtle, I have the new 4x5Z multi-focal length camera on order, and so that should arrive next week. I'm really excited about that, and I'm sure you'll be seeing that in the future too. So please, if you would, leave me any comments you have about the pictures or the construction of this camera if you have any questions, and please do like and subscribe so that I can help this channel grow, and we'll be seeing you on the next one. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I do hope you enjoyed this segment. If, yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, please leave me comments. I really would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to the channel. And we hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.